How to remove not safe for work option on Reddit. So let's get started. First, click on your profile picture and then you will find settings. Next, I will choose feed settings. And then you need to turn on this toggle. And if you don't want to see blur on the images, you just need to turn off this. And this is how can you do it. I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device. So click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, settings. Scroll a little bit down and you will find show not safe for work content. Remember, you need to be over 18 years old. And here you can also change the blur option for images. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button and have a nice day. See you later.